welcome to my channel. We've made it to the Gran Canaries. Outside at the beach. It's about a 2-minute walk from the Airbnb, so cannot complain. Hola everyone, today we are going shopping. We are outside in the streets of Canary Islands. Yeah, it's shopping day, baby. So we went shopping to Zara. We walked into a child Zara and then we were like, where's the adult section? But it wasn't there. So we got out of it, we crossed, and then we found the women's Zara and men's Zara, which was separate. So we went shopping. I didn't film anything because it's across the street. I didn't film anything because it wasn't much. That's the only place that we went to. So we had lunch at a nearby restaurant and now we're on our way to the beach. Weather's lovely. So much nicer than Madrid. Like, I could live here. I could be an island girl. Jess Travels is in her element. We are at the beach. This beach is different from the one I'm staying at, the Airbnb. The Airbnb one is like very noisy. There's a lot of waves crashing, which is lovely. This beach is more laid back, not as busy with people, and there's boats. Who's driving it? I know I'm not. Hello, we are out here at the sand dunes. The weather is nice. Luckily, yesterday was raining and it was not a vibe. But today the weather is great. I'm not filming much of the sand dunes because near the beach area in Spain it's normal to be nude at the beach, so can't get a lot of content there. But look at this view, guys. Good morning. It is time to leave the Canary Islands. Last night we went to this Cuban restaurant. It was amazing. So if you come here, I recommend it. It's called Corazon de Cuba. After that, we just went back to the house because it was like 11 o'clock at that point. I don't know why I looked at my watch, like if it's now, but at that point it was like 11. So now we're on our way to the airport. It's 8 a.m. Back to Madrid, back to the cold. Not excited about that.